Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp and Canva. We'll explore an easy method to integrate these powerful platforms for your marketing efforts. Mailchimp is fantastic for managing your email lists and sending out newsletters, while Canva makes designing beautiful graphics incredibly simple. Together, they form a dynamic duo, helping you craft compelling messages and visuals that truly resonate with your audience, all without needing advanced design or coding skills. Let's dive in and see how easy it can be. Connecting these two platforms is straightforward. First, focus on your visual content in Canva. You can choose from over 250,000 free templates or start from scratch, designing eye-catching images, banners, or even short videos. Once your design is perfect, simply download it in a suitable format, like a high-quality JPEG or PNG file. This prepared visual asset is now ready to be imported into your Mailchimp email campaign, ensuring your message looks polished and professional. When designing in Canva for Mailchimp, think about your email's purpose. Choose a template that aligns with your message, perhaps a newsletter layout or a promotional banner. Customize every element, change fonts, adjust colors, and upload your own brand assets. Remember to keep your design clean and uncluttered, focusing on one or two key messages. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes this process incredibly simple, allowing you to create professional-looking graphics in just a few minutes. With your stunning Canva visuals ready, head over to Mailchimp to build your campaign. Drag and drop your images into your email template, positioning them strategically to enhance your message. Write clear, concise, and engaging copy that complements your visuals. Before sending, always preview your email to ensure it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Finally, select your audience, hit send, and watch your beautifully designed and thoughtfully written campaign reach your subscribers effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.